Welcome to NFU, Nature Fury Unleashed YouTube channel. Get ready to witness the fury of nature. We will bring you face to face with nature's most extreme disasters. Nature Fury Unleashed is where wrath of nature and you won't believe your eyes. Because from devastating storms, destructive earthquakes, catastrophic floods, violent tornadoes, tropical storm, hurricanes, typhoons, cyclone to uncontrollable floods, massive landslide, and unpredictable weather events, we showcase the raw, untamed power that shapes our planet. Stay connected with us by subscribing and experience the fury firsthand. Whether you're fascinated by extreme weather, love thrilling visuals, or want to learn more about these incredible natural forces, you've come to the right place. Right now, viewer, are you ready to see the wrath of nature? Okay, then let's get started.
This is nature's fury unleashed in its purest, most violent form. Witness the raging storm as it rips the roof off a house with savage force, hurling it into the street like a child's discarded toy. The raw power of the wind tears through everything in its path. The fury of the storm blew everything away like weightless cotton, tearing through the ground without hesitation. Nothing stood a chance against it. The fury of this storm spread to China. Looking through the clear glass, you might not realize how fast the wind is blowing everything away at a speed of 180 kilometers per hour. Typhoon Yagi shows violent effects on Hainan, as captured on CCTV cameras. And in the meantime, it becomes clear that everything is helpless before nature. Over time, typhoon winds roared to an unstoppable 265 kilometers per hour, unleashing chaos in its wake. The sheer force was enough to flip a car on the road like a helpless toy, leaving destruction and terror etched into the landscape. This was no ordinary storm, it was a relentless force of nature, leaving nothing unscathed. Terrible, violent, monstrous, destructive, whatever name he may be called. He surpasses all, as if he were about to cause a great flood. Listen to the sound of his wind and see the destruction of his wrath. Chilling footage shows a bridge near Hanoi collapsing into the Red River due to high floodwaters from Typhoon Yagi. Reports say 10 vehicles were on the bridge at the time of the collapse. 3 people were rescued and taken to the hospital. Various media outlets reported that 8 more people were missing in the incident. This crazy storm not only wreaked havoc in China, but also in Vietnam. Although parts of China were damaged by the strong winds, Vietnam turned into a sea due to heavy rain.
Ôi rồi nước chảy mạnh quá. Mất một cái váy chèo đúng không?
Those who play the role of heroes in this natural disaster sometimes face even greater dangers. For example, they will fall from this board.
Vỡ cái gì nó thôi nè.
Rồi đi vào, hai đứa đi vào. Đi vào.
Cái đường chui này lật đấy nhỉ?
Đừng lật. Rồi thả.
Chắc bị đi vào góc đấy à? Thả là trôi nhỉ? Thả là trôi. Sợ quá. Chết rồi.
Bỏ.
Trời ơi.
Bám vào một người, bám vào xuồng đi. Xuống bên kia cái trái. Cứ bám đi. Tránh cột ta.
Thằng cửa vào. Đi ở đây lấy cái đường đi. Đây là xuân. Trâu nát rồi giờ.
In Vietnam, floodwaters rendered two sand dredgers loaded with equipment impassable on the Cha River in the northeast. One of them was carrying a crane. Both barges hit the 2-mile bridge, as you can see in this footage. The first barge was completely destroyed, with debris flowing under the bridge. That's a strong current. The second barge got stuck, although the crane was eventually toasted when the dredger collapsed beneath it. The bridge held up surprisingly well to the weight it hit. Typhoon Yagi hit Southeast Asia with such force that it was classified as a super typhoon. It caused more than $15 billion in damage. This incident is yet another testament to the multidimensional nature of natural disasters.
You can email us any complaints you may have.